Hi guys, my name is Aldin. Welcome to this high interval intensity workout. It's about 10 minutes long, but you can make it of course shorter, longer, however you want. First we start with a little warm-up, head rotations. Circle around with your hands. Just a few repetitions to get it warm. Then we proceed with hip rotations. Elbow rotations. Now it's really important to get yourself warmed up so you don't get injured. We'll be jumping a little bit. So now the ankles, as I said, really important. Your knees as well. Both sides. So now this part of warm-up is to get your heart rate elevated. Get ready. Waist jumps. Now jumping jacks. This is a great warm-up exercise. You can also incorporate it into the main part of the workout. To glutes. In sprints we have 3 different levels. Start with level 1 and then proceed to level 2 and then level 3 is maximum effort. So we are about to start the main part of the workout. It's made out of 5 exercises which we do in a superset manner. One exercise is about 20 minutes long, and then you have, after these 5 exercises, 20 seconds of rest. You do this in rounds, so see how many rounds you can do. First exercise, squat jumps. If you get really tired afterwards, you can only do squats without jumping. Then immediately you start with burpees. With a push-up. Now mountain climbers, great exercise for your abs. Jacks plus shoulder tap. So you go in and out with your feet and then try to get your shoulder, diagonal shoulder. plank. Up, up, down, down. Great for your abs, for your shoulders, for the chest, tricep. And after this, you rest for 20 seconds and then you start the pull-up. So altogether it's 3 minutes, or 1 minute and 40 seconds of work, followed by 20 seconds of rest, And again, 4 jumps. As you go down, breathe in, as you jump, breathe out. Again, burpees. Mountain climbers. You have 2 different variations.
Karma's got a thing for me. We hold hands, make plans, keep the receipts. Karma, she's my best friend. One step closer, here's how it ends. Karma's got a thing for me. You see, you'll be digging up 6 feet. Karma's never let me down. My smile will cue when I cut you out. It's okay to hurt your voice screaming in my face. I know you gotta bark when you don't got bite. Tell me, what's that like? What's that like? Being that insecure, acting up, immature. Had enough, I'm so bored. I'm so bored.
In my case, I did
It's karma.
4 rounds of this.
It's karma. Karma's got a thing for me. We hold hands, make plans, keep the receipts. Karma, she's my best friend. One step closer, here's how it ends. Karma's got a thing for me. You'll see, you'll be digging up 6 feet. Karma's never let me down. My smile will kill when I cut you out. Snip, snip, got in your bullshit with a plot twist. Don't waste my time, I don't do toxic. I see you looking at me like she's so sweet. So nice, I can do what I like, right? Did I make you cry? I forgot that you're right. You know what you are, you're a baby, little baby. Now you got hurt 'cause you made me. Yeah, you know what you are, you're a baby, little baby. You only got hurt 'cause you made me bored. It's karma. It's karma. It's karma.
Now rest again, and then we will do our last round.
Snip, 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 snip. I'm so bored.
I didn't know that it'd be so hard yet for me to relax, finding my purpose. I don't know what makes me happy, don't know what makes me sad. I sit around and ponder emotions in my head. I give up, no matter what I do, not here, no. I try so hard to stop, I give in to every single bad temptation, and I just wanna feel people think they know me, but they only know my music. And there's so much opportunity, so hard to make the most of it. When you feel so depressed and your bed whispers just to stay in it, I think I've had enough of it. I know that I'm not gonna win. Surrendering my everything, I'm giving up, I'm giving in. Nobody understands what I'm going through. Can't explain when you don't come from it. I give up.
That's basically it. Thank you so much. I hope you did well.
I try so hard to
4
stop,
tough
I
rounds.
give in.
Write me in the comments if you liked it, if you tried it. And I'll see you in the other one. Bye.
Feel like a